Okay, so in this video what I'm going to do is show you how the sharing settings can be modified to allow that all parents, all students, really anybody with the link to your playlist is able to view everything on your playlist. So if you have something stored in Google, you go up to the share icon, and again, a lot of you may know this already, just this is a good refresher. If you don't, here we go. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the advanced setting. So again, we've clicked on share, we're going to click on advanced. And then we are going to change this, and we don't want private because that's all the only ones who are going to see it is you. So I'm going to click the change button. And if we would allow, say that we clicked on Eastern New York School District, that means anybody at Eastern New York School District could click on this and it would open up for them. But they would have to have an @easternnewyork.net login. Now, we want to alleviate a lot of this, so if we click on, anybody with the link can access it. They don't need to sign into their Google account. They're able to view it, and that's where you want to make sure that down here, anybody, no sign-in required, can view. Okay, so those are the settings that you want in order for this document to be viewable by everybody and not editable. Okay, so if I click on save, it's going to save the settings, and now anybody who has the link can view, and this is the share link that you're going to use for your students. So I'm going to go ahead and press done, and that's all you need. So that's how you share a document, taking the link and allowing everybody to see it but not edit it.